You might think you're lonely, but what if it's not about being alone? It's about feeling unseen. There's a quiet difference between isolation and invisibility. Loneliness happens when you lack connection, but feeling unseen happens when your presence doesn't seem to matter, even when you're surrounded by people. Think about it. You're in a group chat, but no one replies to what you said. You're in a room full of people laughing, but no one makes eye contact with you. You share something personal, but it's brushed off like small talk. Moments like these don't leave you physically alone, but they do make you feel emotionally invisible. Many people today mistake this invisibility for loneliness. We scroll, post, comment, all to be noticed. But being noticed isn't the same as being seen. Being noticed is fleeting. It's a like, a view, a short burst of validation. Being seen means someone understands you. They get the way you think, what you care about, what hurts, and what drives you. And when that doesn't happen for a long time, you start to wonder, do I even matter here? That's the real root of feeling unseen. It's not the absence of people, it's the absence of recognition, of emotional presence. So how do we start changing that? It begins with how we see others. We can't control who truly notices us, but we can start by being the kind of person who makes others feel seen. Ask deeper questions. Listen without waiting to reply. Notice what makes someone's eyes light up when they talk. When you do that, something shifts, not just for them, but for you too. Because the more you learn to see others, the easier it becomes to be seen. If you've been feeling unseen lately, take a moment to reconnect with yourself too. Ask, when was the last time I truly expressed who I am without filtering it for others' approval? Sometimes we hide so much of ourselves trying to fit in that we make it harder for people to find the real us. So maybe you're not just lonely. Maybe you've been unseen, even by yourself. And that's where the healing begins. When you start to show up again, honestly and fully. If you're ready to understand your feelings better and start reconnecting, our free Light the Ember toolkit can help. It's a gentle, self-guided resource to help you explore your emotions, build awareness, and take small steps toward real connection. You can find it on our Ko-fi site or through the links provided below. Because you deserve to be seen and to know that your presence matters. Find your spark. Find your people.